Hey everyone, this is Mike Chou with the Chou Creative Executive. Thank you for joining me on this newest listing in the city of San Gabriel, 272 South Arroyo Unit C. It's a 3-bedroom townhouse with 3 full bathrooms built in 2017. What's really nice about the interior is you get plenty of cabinet space, not only just in the 2-car garage, because it does have that extended space in the front, but also inside the unit itself, there's just cabinets all throughout, and the walk-in closet is just incredibly nice. The kitchen is to die for because it's built in 2017, so you get all the modern amenities. It's open floor plan to the living room, and there's a bedroom on that same floor as well too, which makes it really nice and convenient. But the kitchen itself, there's a kitchen island with granite countertops, nice range hood that vents outside, not just inside the unit, and you have an indoor laundry that's upstairs next to the bedroom, so that's really nice. The location itself, you can't beat it. We're close to Mission District, which is, you have all the shops, the restaurants, the groceries, all within minutes of this location. But also you're close enough to the 10 freeway where if you need to get to downtown LA or wherever else, it's close enough. The Blossom Market is also nearby, and if you want to do some exercise at the Almanza Park, that's only minutes away from here as well too. And you have some of the top schools here, so this is why people love, San Gabriel. You have Jefferson Middle School and Gabrielino High School, which is highly rated in the area. And the community itself is $295 a month HOA, which is extremely low. And you get really nice areas, lounge areas like this, but also there are fireplaces with the lounge chairs as well too. So again, thank you for joining me on this newest listing. My name is Mike Chou with the Chou Creative Executive. See you in escrow.